Welsh Labour will stand up for Wales. Here's how we'll do it. We'll increase funding for the NHS with more nurses and doctors to give patients the care they need. We'll introduce a real living wage of £10 an hour and no increase in income tax or national insurance for 95% of people. We'll invest £1.7 billion to build 20,000 affordable homes across Wales. We'll end the scandal of school holiday hunger. We'll keep the winter fuel allowance, free TV licences and bus passes for pensioners. And we'll give a public vote on any Brexit deal, with Welsh Labour campaigning to remain.